WAGO relocates UK and Ireland headquarters.
Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos.
Global electrical and automation brand WAGO has moved its UK and Ireland headquarters to a new 4.5-acre site in Rugby. The new all-purpose facility was designed to accommodate WAGO's expanding team of over 100 staff members. MDG architects needed a flexible seating solution that balanced high acoustic performance with distinct aesthetic requirements. Lower than average ceiling heights required innovative, adaptable products to fit the building's tight structural constraints. To create a striking visual impact, the entrance features circular Zentia Sonify canopies at varying heights in WAGO's corporate green and grey. White rectangular canopies were utilised in common areas, while horizontal grey canopies were installed in corridors for a cohesive, contemporary look. The Sonify range delivers Class A sound absorption, effectively managing noise levels without compromising on design creativity. With 35 standard options, the largest range available in the UK, Sonify allowed the architects to easily customise each space. Zentia's Prestige Tegular 24 tiles were selected for meeting rooms and data centres, offering a finely textured surface with excellent sound attenuation. The ceiling was installed by Tapper Interiors, a member of Zentia's award-winning partnership scheme. Thanks to the partnership, Tapper Interiors utilised Zentia's off-cut recycling scheme, boosting the project's sustainability credentials. The collaboration created a dynamic, visually appealing space that blends functionality and creativity to enhance both comfort and productivity. To learn more, read the full article in our Workplace and Wellbeing category. Read more at TWinFM.com.